We had games last night, and this is what the losing team has to do for 30 minutes every day. So, going to be a little tough there. There he is, he's eating something.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. He dropped his cookie. Oh, no.
The Teddy Junior, yes.
Yeah, he likes it.
Yeah.
Very good. We're right across the street from the wharf where we have to get back from the Zodiacs, and there's like an open air market here. We're selling all different kinds of stuff. And all I wanted was a couple magnets, but I looked in the store, they were crappy magnets, crappy ones, and $6.50 each Australian dollars. That might have been $5.50 US dollars, but this is just all crafty stuff. I'm not going to find anything here unless I want to buy soap or a clock or a hat or something here, so I'm just going to meander around. Probably no sous for this trip here. Oh well.